Good day everyone, welcome to PBW channel. So we are now on the last topic of third one, which is about multiplication. So multiplication is in unit 3, which is our topic for today is multiplying 3-digit or 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers with and without renaming. So let's do first multiplying 3-digit or 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number without renaming. So here is the first example. As you can see inside the box, the given number is 333 multiplied by 2. So on top of number 3, there is letter O, wherein letter O means ones, T means tens, and H means hundreds. So in this multiplication, we are going to use the symbol of times. So let's proceed. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So as you can see in the answer, there is no renaming. Let's proceed to, before I forget, the answer in this multiplication is what we call product. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2, which is the given number is 434 multiplied by 2. So we have 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And then 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Let's proceed to example number 3. The given number is 234 multiplied by 2. So we have 4 times 2 is 8. Then 3 times 2 is 6. Then 2 times 2 is 4. So the product is 468. Let's proceed to the next example, which is 433 multiplied by 2. So we have 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Let's proceed to the next example. So as you can see, there are 4-digit numbers, which is 3,232 multiplied by 3. So as you can see, there is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's multiply the numbers. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Then 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And then 3 times 3 is 9. So as you can see in this example, there is no renaming. So we have 9,696. Let's proceed to the next example, which is 1,101 multiplied by 5. So it's very easy because the given numbers are all 1. It's very simple. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Then 1 times 5 is 5. And the last one is 5. So the answer is 5,555. So let's proceed to the last example of the numbers 3,444 multiplied by 2. So it's very simple. Start with ones place. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Then the last one is 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So the answer is 6,888. So these examples are multiplying 3 or 4 digit numbers without renaming. So let's try multiplying 3 digit or 4 digit numbers by 1 digit number with renaming. When we say with renaming, you are going to carry numbers. Let's try this example. As you can see, there are 4 digit numbers, right? We have 7,432 multiplied by 8. So let's see. 2 times 8 is equal to 16, right? Since we cannot write 16 under number 8, just write number 6, and then you need to carry 1 on the tens place. Let's proceed to tens place, which is 3 multiplied by 8. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Since there is a number on top of number 3, we need to add. So 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So you need to write 5 and then carry 2. The next step is you multiply 4 by 8. So 4 times 8 is equal to 32. And then again, you need to add number 2. So the answer is, yes, it's 34. Write 4 and then carry 3. The next one is you multiply 7 times 8. So the answer is 56. Then you need to add 3 to make it 59. So as you can see in the product of this multiplication, there are 5 digit numbers, right? So if you are going to read this number, it's 59,456. So let's have another example. Okay, the given number is 5,868 multiplied by 4. So let's see if this number has renaming. Renaming meaning to say you have to carry number or regroup the number, okay? So we have 8 times 4 is equal to 32. Since we cannot write 32 under number 4, just write number 2. And then you have to write 3 on top of number 6. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24 plus 3. The answer is 27. Then carry 2. And then 8 times 4 is equal to 32. You need to add 2. Then the answer is 34. Carry 3. The next one is 5 multiplied by 4. Then the answer is 20 plus 3. So the answer is 23. So the product of this example is 23,472. And the last example is 3,642 multiplied by 5. So again, multiply 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So write 0, carry 1. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 plus 1, then the answer is 21. So write 1, carry 2. And then 6 times 5 is equal to 30 plus 2, then the answer is 32. Write 2, carry 3. And the last one is 3 multiplied by 5 plus 3 is equal to 18. Okay, so the answer is 18,210. So this number is what we call renaming, or this one is what we call carry. Okay, let's try this example, which is comparing numbers using multiplication. So we will do first the symbol of equal and not equal. So this one is the symbol of equal and the symbol of not equal. When we say equal, the numbers are the same, and when we say not equal, the numbers are not the same. So you need to fill in the boxes using these symbols. Let's try example number 1. So the given number is 233 multiplied by 3 compared to 233 multiplied by 2. So what is the answer here? Okay, so we have 699. And then the other one is 466. So if you are going to compare this number, the first digit is 6, right? And then the first digit is 4. So are they the same? If not, so inside the box, you are going to write the symbol of not equal to. Why they are not equal? Because the first digit is 6 and the first digit is 4. So they are not the same. Let's take a look. Example letter B. So the given number in letter B is 321 multiplied by 2 and then 642 multiplied by 1. So the answer on the first number is 642. And then the second number is 642. So if you are going to compare this number, are they equal or not? Okay, so the answer is equal because the answers are the same. Let's proceed to letter C. The first number is 101 multiplied by 6 and the second number is 333 multiplied by 2. So the answer on the first example is 666 and the second one is 666. So compare the answers. Are they equal or not? So the answer is equal because the numbers are the same. Let's proceed to the last example, which is letter D. The numbers are 423 multiplied by 2 and then 432 multiplied by 3. So the first number is equal to 846. And the answer for the second number is 1296. So are they equal or not? Okay, the answer is not equal because the number are not the same. So let's try also comparing numbers in multiplication using the sign or the symbols of less than or greater than. When we say less than, it's what we call smaller than, and when we say greater than, it's bigger than. So let's try this example. So the given number is 345 multiplied by 1, and the other one is 201 multiplied by 2. So if you multiply the first number, the answer is 345. And then this number, if you multiply it, the answer is 402. So since the first digit number is 3 and the other one is 4, so you can compare the number here. So which one is smaller than? Is it 3 or 4? Which one is greater than? Is it 3 or 4? So if you compare this number, 3 is less than 4. So the answer is less than. Why less than? Because 345 is smaller than 402. Let's take a look. Example letter B. So the given number is 413 multiplied by 2, and the other one is 212 multiplied by 3. So the answer on the first given number is 826. And on the second number is 636. So if you compare this number, look the first digit number 8 and 6. So number 8 is greater than 6. So if number 8 is greater than 6, what do you think is the answer? Is it less than or greater than? Okay, so the answer is greater than. So 826 is greater than 636. Let's proceed to letter C. So the given number is 343 multiplied by 2, and the other one is 341 multiplied by 2. So the answer is 686 compared to 682. So take a look this answer. 6 and 6, they are the same, right? And then 8 and then 8, they are also the same. And the last digit number is 6 and 2. So you need to compare 6 and 2. So what is your answer? Is it less than or greater than? Okay, so the answer is greater than. 686 is greater than 682. And the last example is, we have 2043 multiplied by 2, and then 4023 multiplied by 2. So if you multiply this number, the answer is 4086. And then the second number is 8046. So compare the first digit numbers, which are 4 and 8. So what do you think is the answer? Is it less than or greater than? So the answer is less than. 4086 is less than 8046. So this is all about comparing numbers using the symbol of equal to, not equal to, less than, and greater than. So that's all for today, my dear students. Thank you for listening. Keep safe, everyone.